Hello my dear students, in the last video we studied about the estimation in addition. Today we are going to study about the estimation in subtraction. How to do round off to the nearest tens, hundred or thousand digit and to find out the estimated number and the actual number, and how to differentiate between the actual and the estimated number. The estimated number is nearly close to the actual number. So let's find out in the estimation in subtraction. So estimation in subtraction we can do with the help when the two numbers are given. We can do when the estimation in subtraction can be seen in the two numbers, and we can estimate and find out the number. So here in this question you can see here in this question it is written round off 236 and 184 to the nearest 10. So how to round off to the nearest 10 and then estimate the difference, then find the actual difference and check how close the estimated difference is to the actual difference. So first we have to find the estimated number. So first we have to find the rounding of numbers. Rounding of the numbers to nearest tens. So to find out the number to the nearest 10 is 240, and to the nearest 10 the 184 will be. So 236 to the nearest 10 it can be round off to 240, and 184 it can be rounded off to 180. So the estimated difference, now you have to find the estimated difference. So what is the estimated number? Estimated number was 240 and 180, and we have to find the difference. 240 minus 180 is equal to 60. Now the actual difference. What is the actual difference? The actual difference is 236 minus 184. So 236 minus 184 is equal to 552. So difference between the actual difference and estimated difference is how much? Actual and estimated difference is 60 minus 52 is equal to 8. So the estimated difference, so the estimated difference is close to actual difference. It's very close to the actual difference. So the estimated difference is very close to the actual difference. Now we have the second example. So we have to find the rounding of the number to the nearest 100. So first we have to find the rounding of number. Rounding to nearest 100. How to do to nearest 100? 4386 will become 4386 will become 4400, and 945 will become 900. So we have to find the difference, estimated difference. So estimated difference is how much? Estimated difference will be 4400 minus 900 is equal to 3500. And the actual difference will be how much? Actual difference will be 4386 minus 945. So 4386 minus 945 will be 3441. So the difference between the actual difference and the estimated difference. So the difference between the actual and the estimated difference we have to find out. So the difference between the actual, so it will be 3441. So the difference between the estimated difference and actual difference we have to find out. It will be 3500 minus 3441. So how much it will be? 3500 minus 3441. It is equal to 59. So 59. So the actual difference is very close to the estimated difference. So actual difference is close to estimated difference. And we will underline it. Now, the third example is to round off the number. Number is given 23,946 and 5,984 to the nearest thousand. We have to round off and estimate the difference. In the same way we have to do rounding to the nearest thousand. Rounding to nearest thousand. How to do the rounding to the nearest thousand? We will do by 23946. When it is rounded to nearest thousand, it will be 24000. It will be 24000. Now the 5984, when it will be rounded to the nearest thousand, it will be 6000. So when we will find the difference, so the estimated difference is how much? It will be 18,000. The estimated difference is 18,000. Now we have to find the actual difference. Actual difference is 23946 minus 5984. So let's find out. 23946 5984 is 26971. 17962 equals to 17962. So the difference between the actual difference and the estimated difference is, so the estimated difference minus actual difference is equal to 18000 minus 17962 is how much? So the actual difference is very close to the estimated difference. So actual difference is close to estimated difference. So the actual difference is very close to the estimated difference. Today we discussed about the estimation in subtraction. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe it for more videos. Thank you.